Is it time to buy or sell Bank OZK stock? In this video, we will explore Bank OZK in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of August, 2025, our system has categorized Bank OZK as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has shown natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 0.69%. This equates to an average return of 0.17% per day since it was rated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.28% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 9.94% to 24.75%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 9.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 13.87% to positive 21.72% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 42.99 and 60.75. Our latest daily update for Bank OZK includes the headline, Bank OZK stock price ended at $49.91 on Thursday after losing 0.3%. The Bank OZK stock price fell by 0.3% on the last day, Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025, from $50.06 to $49.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.43%, reaching a low of $49.58 and a high of $50.29. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is seen as a positive sign, since volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, trading volume declined by 737,000 shares, with a total of 365,000 shares bought and sold for approximately $18,240,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $53.64, while the lowest price was $35.71. Currently, the price is 6.95% or $3.73 below the 52-week high of $53.64, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Bank OZK recently reported a strong second quarter of 2025, surpassing expectations as increased fee income and net interest income contributed to record earnings. Loans and deposits at the bank grew at a pace quicker than its peers. Management underscored their prudent underwriting practices, substantial reserves, and manageable credit costs, even considering their exposure to commercial real estate. Notably, the bank is actively diversifying its loan portfolio. The company is also returning capital through stock buybacks and an increasing dividend. Recent analyses have highlighted Bank OZK's impressive growth metrics and the attractiveness of its dividends. In the short term, the earnings beat, rising net interest income, and clear shareholder returns are expected to support the stock. This could trigger immediate upside as investors reassess growth and income prospects. However, exposure to commercial real estate and macroeconomic volatility, such as fluctuations in interest rates, may introduce uncertainty and affect market sentiment if credit stress becomes apparent. Looking ahead, sustained diversification of loans, disciplined underwriting, steady fee income, and a commitment to share buybacks and dividends will likely support valuation increases and total return potential. Assuming credit quality remains strong and net interest income continues to perform well. Nonetheless, risks persist, particularly those stemming from potential recession-related loan losses or a significant decline in the commercial real estate sector. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that Stephens assigned OZK an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler rated OZK as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Stephens assigned OZK a rating of underperform with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Truist Financial gave OZK an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Raymond James rated OZK as market perform with a downgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned Bank OZK stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Bank OZK. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and so far it has risen by 5.3%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The Bank OZK stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $50.35. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $49.91. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 14 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 42 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Bank OZK. Bank OZK identifies support from accumulated volume at $49.57. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.71 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.43%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Bank OZK, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 16th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.67. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Bank OZK. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Bank OZK is at $51.91. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Bank OZK has its first support level at $49.57. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $47.57, reflecting a decrease of 4.68%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Bank OZK stock a good buy? Bank OZK presents several positive indicators. However, we still find these insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate shares while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate that Bank OZK will open higher by approximately 0.0167 and begin trading at 49.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.